In this video, I will be making a chatbot, and will be hosting the bot 24/7. So make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, you need to fork the codes which will be on my servers, so make sure to join my Discord server. After forking the codes, go to commands option and create a secret with the name of token. And at the value put your Discord bot token. After setting up your bot in the replace.it with the codes, all you have to do is to go to line 19 in index.js, and here you have to paste the Discord channel ID. For copying the channel ID, you have to go to your Discord user settings, and at behavior you will find developer option, just enable it, and then you can copy the channel ID. After installing all the stuffs, now it's time to run the bot. Let's run the bot. And as you can see, it's running successfully. Now let's test the bot.